Hello and welcome to Victory is Yours channel. Friends, I'm back with the video in the series Nobel Prizes, and today we shall discuss 2019 Nobel in the field of medicine and or physiology, and it was awarded to William G. Kaelin Jr., Sir Peter J. Ratcliffe, Greg L. Semenza. They were given for their contribution of discovery of how cells sense and adapt to oxygen availability है ना. So we all know that oxygen is the responsible for life on earth. So it is very important discovery, not only important, it's like a path breaking discovery, and their work established a genetic mechanism that is involved in this whole cell response to the changes in the oxygen level. So friends, we should those who are from the science background, they know, and others should understand this, that what the air we take in, our lungs है ना, lungs में जो alveoli होते हैं, they filter, they do this all filtration process, and in that filtration process the oxygen saturation is there, and the oxygen is being absorbed by the red blood cells है ना, and this oxygen is then carried by hemoglobin, the protein present in the red blood cell, hemoglobin, and then this is utilized for other physiological biochemical processes. Okay, so it's very complicated, intricate metabolic, biomolecular and biochemical thing, but then you should only understand for simplicity that oxygen की जो availability है वो it changes है ना, body organs में lungs में ज़्यादा है या दूसरे organs में कम है या कहीं ऐसा है ना, तो it happens that way. So cells have to sense means cells have to check where oxygen is less, when oxygen is it is to be supplied, when it is to be reduced, and likewise. So this discovery will help in treatment of many diseases like anemia, cancer, heart attack, and stroke. So oxygen is the lifeblood of living organisms, but too much or too less could be fatal. Hence, their research explained the genetic response mechanism of cells to oxygen level in human body and other animal cells. It also explains how cancerous cells hijack the oxygen availability. That this discovery is described as actual textbook discovery, as it is something that students from learning at basic levels of biology education will also start learning this है ना. So when you take up science, be it botany, zoology, chemistry, or anything, but when you are studying this animal science and cells and oxygen take up respiration process at your graduation level, then you understand and study over there that how this air that we take in is then from that air the oxygen is extracted, and how this oxygen is absorbed and utilized and metabolized in our whole body cells. Each cell has mitochondria. This is very phenomenal thing. How can I explain? I don't know, but then simply चूँकि ये चीज़ें होती हैं autonomously, we don't take it for granted, we don't try to just deeply look into it. Anyways, that was a little bit of philosophy. So just remember the names. William G. Kaelin Jr., Sir Peter J. Ratcliffe, and Greg L. Semenza. So friends, here Ratcliffe, RATCLIFFE है ना, don't confuse with Daniel Radcliffe of Harry Potter series protagonist. Okay, so he is RAD है ना, Radcliffe, and this is Ratcliffe, RAT है ना. So just this to be remembered, and thank you for today. Soon we shall meet with another video in this series, and thank you. Please subscribe.